Say goodbye to wrinkles and dark spots after using this effective natural method. Having wrinkles and dark spots on your skin, especially on the facial area, make your face look older and lead to the lack of confidence. However, wrinkles and dark spots can be easily eliminated and restore a glowing complexion only with some natural ingredients available in your kitchen. This remedy can help you reduce the appearance of wrinkles and dark spots without undergoing painful treatments such as acid pills and laser surgeries. And this excellent remedy can be prepared at home in no time. You just need 2 ingredients for this recipe. Firstly, prepare 1 tomato. Then, remove its core and cut it into small pieces. Tomatoes are excellent sources of vitamin C. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that helps create collagen in the skin. Applying a topical gel containing vitamin C can help reduce the appearance of wrinkles and other signs of sun damage on the skin, especially dark spots. After cutting, add all tomato pieces into a blender. Then, blend well until tomato is completely purer. Now, we will extract tomato juice from this puree tomato. Place a strainer over a large glass bowl and gradually pour the puree tomato through the strainer. You should use a glass bowl since metal bowls may react with the acids in the tomatoes. Then, use the spoon to squeeze out the tomato juice into the bowl. You also should use a plastic spoon, since the metal spoon may react with the acids in the tomatoes. The remaining ingredient of this recipe is buttermilk. Buttermilk has been shown to effectively lighten skin discoloration. Lactic acid is the ingredient which is responsible for this effect. Their vitamin D, vitamin B12 and lactic acid can remove the dead skin cells and lighten dark spots. Vitamin A, vitamin B6 and biotin can boost collagen production, thus helping remove wrinkles. Take a bowl and add 4 teaspoons of buttermilk. Then add 2 teaspoons of tomato juice. Mix these 2 ingredients together until getting a homogeneous mixture. Your mixture is ready to apply. Here is how to use this mixture to remove wrinkles and dark spots. Always clean your face with water before applying the mask. Then, use your fingers and apply this mixture to your face, combined with a gentle massage. Wash it after 15 minutes. Besides using this effective natural remedy, you should have an essential and balanced diet to get the perfect skin you wanted. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.